To have today's train tour, we are driving from Engineers Holidays Park to Kippa-Ring Railway Station, the terminus station on Redcliffe Peninsular Line. Before the railway station, I'll visit the birthplace of the Buba equipped on my four-wheel drive. East Coast Bubas have been the original manufacturer of alloy Bubas in Australia since 1971. Credited as being the first Buba manufacturer in Australia, ECB has built a reputation as Australia's leading frontal protection experts. Over 50 years later, ECB is still proudly 100% made in Australia, whereas most other Buba manufacturers have gone offshore to manufacture their frontal protection products. I want to take the opportunity to see the birthplace of the Buba. Since the Buba manufactured here a month ago, 3 months ago, from here to Melbourne.
Okay,
Then I fitted myself to my car, and then I drive my car all around Australia. And this is the second last stop. Brisbane, the second last stop. And after here, I will go to Canberra. And then after Canberra, go back to Melbourne. You can see my car there.
If you have a look on our website or even on YouTube, East Coast Bull Bars, we've got a video that goes through the factory that sort of highlights the process involved in actually manufacturing the products.
All right. Okay.
It's quite detailed.
Okay, thank you. Manufacturing in Australia enables us to have complete control on quality. Today's train tour starts from here. Kippa-Ring Railway Station is the terminus of the Redcliffe Peninsular Railway Line, opened together with the railway line in 2016.
On the left-hand side in the direction of travel.
Rothwell Station, mind the gap.
Mango Hill East Station, platform is on the left-hand side in the direction of travel.
Mango Hill East Station, mind the gap.
Mango Hill Station, platform is on the left-hand side in the direction of travel.
Mango Hill Station, mind the gap. Door station, prepare to disembark. Customers are reminded the exit buttons are located in the middle of the doors.
Down station, platform is on the left-hand side in the direction of travel.
Down Station,
Now arriving at Kalanga Station, platform is on the left-hand side in the direction of travel. Now arriving at Petrie Station, platform is on the right-hand side in the direction of travel. Bray Park Station, platform is on the left-hand side in the direction of travel.
This is your station. Prepare to disembark. Customers are reminded the exit buttons are located in the middle of the doors.
Strathpine Station, platform is on the left-hand side in the direction of travel.
Customers are reminded the exit buttons are located in the middle of the doors.
Now arriving at Castledine Station, platform is on the right-hand side in the direction of travel.
Castledine Station. Sylvia Station. If this is your station, prepare to disembark. Customers are reminded the exit buttons are located in the middle of the doors.
Now arriving at Sylvia Station, platform is on the right-hand side in the direction of travel. Geebung Station, platform on the right-hand side in the direction of travel. Sunshine Station, platform is on the left-hand side in the direction of travel. Virginia Station, platform is on the right-hand side in the direction of travel. Now arriving at Northgate Station, platform is on the right-hand side in the direction of travel. This train will now be running express to Bowen Hill Station, stopping at the Eagle Junction.
Northgate Station.
Platform on the right-hand side in the direction of travel. This train now runs express back to Bowen Hill Station.
Eagle Junction Station. This is your station. Prepare to disembark. Customers for the Ferny Grove line, please change trains here. Please stand clear.
Fortitude Valley Station.
Central Station. Roma Street Station. South Bank Station. Customers for the Clever line, please change trains here at Park Road. Park Road Station.
还要填表格的嘛，然后这次我没有填表格，因为我完全没有觉得那个人分的比较好。然后跟老师说我还要再想一想，然后老师让我重听。我知道，
All my station platforms on the left-hand side.
station.
Helensville. Helensville ทักทายฝรั่ง
Helensville is a suburb of the city of Gold Coast.
哦，现在是现在。
你看你就买那种
这样我们吃个25，一个人12.5块。听着点炒锅的声音啊。
The Gold Coast Light Rail, also known as G-Link, opened in 2014 and was extended northwest from Gold Coast University Hospital to Helensville in 2017. The system consists of a single 20-kilometer line of 19 stops.
Hold on, train departing. Welcome aboard. This train is travelling to Broadbeach South, stopping at all stations to Broadbeach South. You can now tap on and off the G using your Visa, MasterCard, American Express. Bus connections to Ashmore, Helensvale and Harbour Town. Please exit from the left-hand side of the tram in direction of travel. The pedestrian crossings to cross the road. Hold on.
So is it fair version? This
train is travelling to Broadbeach South, stopping at all stations.
I'm saying it's on camera. It's all exactly okay.
The next station is South.
West End,
Southport South.
Gani. Ibu kayu punya. Nama kuan mana sih?
So I feel like that would be the most
Hawai sa mo din hatoy. Papaway sa nastutoy diha. Sige na, bye-bye. Bye-bye na na.
Hold on. This train is travelling to Broadbeach South, stopping at all stations.
Kami na wala din iniganap.
Hold on, tram departing. Welcome aboard. This tram is travelling to Broadbeach South, stopping at all stations. Use the pedestrian crossing to cross the road.
I don't think they'll have like that much like the opposite because they avoid the interaction and I think they'll be like they're very antisocial. So but like I understand this.
Please enter on the right-hand side of the tram in direction of travel. For your own safety, please use the pedestrian crossing to cross the road.
But anyway, you know, like theoretical sense, I make money, so I can look at this one jobs. I can see the actual ones coming in and I'm just like, oh, they're like recalculating the bodies. Yeah, it's kind of thing, you know, like, yeah, see the bodies, I'm like, I'm not like I don't know because I know you think like this because they call me out of me. Yeah. It's like I like where I watch it. It's like they're extremely I would actually get mission. What do you?
酒店门口都是架的水上。
Oh.
The next station is Broadbeach South. This is the final stop for this tram. Exit here for connecting bus services and Pacific City Shopping Centre. Thank you for travelling with us. We hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
终点站了吧？
Can you buy something here or?
才6撇几嘞？看比墨尔本那个的那个。
With 14 shopping centers and arcades, there's an eclectic mix of brand and concept stores or quirky boutiques offering retail therapy for all. Gold Coast is one of the fastest growing regions in Australia. It is internationally recognized as a center for tourism and entertainment, and along with an abundance of natural and developed attractions. The Gold Coast is known as host to national and international events and sporting competitions. For visitors and the locals alike, this is a place to find your own paradise. In 2005, Q1 became the world's tallest residential building, boasting a unique design inspired by the Olympic torch and Sydney Opera House. It stands 322.5 meters high and has 1,331 steps from bottom to top.
Next stop, level 77 Skyfront, 230 metres above sea level. Turn left when you exit and enjoy your visit.
The essence of surface paradise lies in its duality, a place where the ocean meets an impressive skyline. Gold Coast locals have been leaders of the world surfing stage for more than 30 years. Their successes have continued to bring international attention and acclaim to the Gold Coast. Surfing culture has been part of the fabric of life here for many decades.